Hi, my name is Anthony Limoncelli, and I'm a musician with the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra. Now, trumpet assembly is quite simple. We have two main parts. First is our trumpet, and the second is our mouthpiece. Now we're going to put the mouthpiece into the receiver and give it a slight quarter turn, just to make sure it's secure, nothing more than that. As far as the rest of the trumpet, we need to make sure that our slides are lubricated enough in order to play. Our first valve slide and our third valve slides need to be able to move fairly often. Our main tuning slide, we don't move as often, but it still needs to be able to move, but also stay in place when we need to. So we're going to use a thicker oil to grease this tuning slide and thinner oil to grease these smaller tuning slides. As far as oiling our valves, we have 3 valves, first, second, and the third, and we'll oil them one at a time. And they each go back into their specific location. We're going to unscrew the valve. I like to use a little cloth. We'll take it out of the trumpet. It's not great to put valve oil into the bottom because it won't cover the whole valve. So we'll take our valve oil now, make sure that it's dry, and then put valve oil all over the valve. Just a thin layer. When we're finished, there should be a number that corresponds to this specific valve on the trumpet on your valve, and we want that to face towards the front of the trumpet or the mouthpiece. So we'll put it back in, make sure it clicks in, and then screw it in. And then your valve is ready to go. That is trumpet assembly and care.